So today I am going to share with you some face yoga to help bring symmetry to your face. Now, first thing I would say with this, it is completely normal to have the two sides of your face slightly different. It's very, very rare for anyone to have perfect symmetry. But in day-to-day life, what we can do is we can tend to overuse one side of the face, same as the body, we can overuse one side of the body too much. And what this then means is we start to notice one side looks more lifted, looks more firmed. Also, when it comes to our face, we can also notice that we lie more on one side whilst we sleep. And again, this can cause asymmetry in the face. So a few simple face yoga exercises to do every day will really help to regain that balance, help you feel good on the inside, and help to naturally bring more symmetry to the face. So you want to have clean hands, clean face, apply a little bit of Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum. Then we're just going to bring our two fingers up to the forehead area. So just in the middle of the forehead there. You're then just going to smooth across your forehead. This is helping to relax your frontalis muscle at the front of the forehead. It's helping to soften any lines caused by stress there. Then you're going to come, so the fingers are at the outer edge of the forehead, but this part of your finger is just touching that part of your eyebrow there. So it's slightly pulling the eyebrows away from each other and very slightly pulling them up, but you're using the same amount each side. Now, I definitely recommend looking at a mirror here. So what you don't want to do is pull one up more like that or the other way around. You really want to be looking to just gain that symmetry. You're going to open the eyes as wide as possible. This helps to strengthen the muscle around the eyes, the orbicularis oculi muscle. Focus on one area in front of you, one point, and breathe deeply. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Relax for a moment, then take the two fingers just to your eyebrows there. Gently pull your eyebrows away from each other. Focus on one point in front of you. Open the eyes as wide as you possibly can. Breathing deeply here. And again, try to do that equally. So you don't want one high, one low. You want to try and do it equal. So this is starting to retrain the face. Bring that symmetry to that area. Relax for a moment, close the eyes for a moment if you need to, and take that again, gently opening the eyes, pulling the eyebrows away from each other gently. Good. Okay, so just making sure the eyebrows are feeling nice and relaxed now. And then just bring the two fingers onto your eyes, and you're going to widen your eyes again, but look into a mirror and check you're doing it equally here. So we can often sort of close one eye a little bit more like that without realizing it. But if we look into the mirror and we try and open both equally, then this is really going to help to encourage both muscles to be strengthened, to be fired up, to tone, but also to work together. You're looking for both sides to really work as one. So relax for a moment, take that again. Eyes are nice and wide. Lovely. Okay, so let's work more of our cheek area now and round our mouth. So we're going to bring the lips in, and we're going to find a position where both corners of the lips are lifting up the same amount. Now, as I said, do not worry if one goes up a little bit more and you just can't control that. It's completely normal, but do your best. And then use your fingers just to smooth any lines that might be created in that area. And holding there, so lip corners are lifting up all the time. So you're lifting and strengthening the cheeks, but you're doing the same each side. One more deep breath. Good. And now we're going to lift both lip corners up, but like this. Same amount each side. So what you don't want is, you want it And then again, use your 2 index fingers to smooth any lines in that area. So you're simply sort of smoothing the skin by slightly tautening it. One more breath. And release down. And you should feel as though the cheeks on both sides have worked together equally. So again, it's about bringing that balance, retraining old patterns. So retraining those muscles just to work together there. Okay, so now let's just bring our fingers underneath the ear, just at the top of the jaw there, and just release a bit of tension in that area. So sometimes we can hold more tension one side than the other. So we're doing a circular action here. And when we hold more tension on one side than the other, it can make either the muscle quite bulgy one side, or it can make it quite weak. Either way, you don't want that. You want the muscles toned, firm, but also a sense of relaxation in them as well. So circle the other way, release that tension. That really helps. And then bring your hands back down and you are all done. If there's any tension through your lower face, just inhale, and as you exhale, just go and you can release that tension. If you'd like more information about face yoga, about my certified face yoga teacher training program, you can head to faceyogaexpert.com. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.